Two countries, two completely different ways of building cars. One believes bigger is always better, the other believes precision is everything. So the real question is, US cars or German cars? Today we're settling one of the biggest car debates ever, American muscle versus German engineer. And before you can large in the comments, no, this is not hate. But yes, personality in German. Please subscribe, I need this, please. American cars are built around one idea: power. Big engines, big displacement, and straight line speeds that feel illegal. Like, goddamn, they're fast. And then big engines, oh no, I already said that. You know, V8, superchargers, burnout, and the raw, aggressive sound that turns heads at every single stoplight. Cars like Hellcats, Camaros, Mustangs, Corvettes are monsters in a straight line. Dollar for dollar. No one gives you more horsepower, and they look very nice. Like you can see, in America, Hellcats are very popular, so are Corvettes, because they're just beautiful. But there is also a downside. This is the trade-off for American cars. Like, everybody knows it. Most American cars are built to go fast in one direction. Corners, that's optional. Interiors can feel cheap. Handling isn't always confidence-inspiring, and daily driving one can feel, well, dramatic, I guess. Fun? Absolutely. Really. But when it comes to corners, well, they're not that good. Come on, we know. German cars, on the other hand, are built completely different. Instead of brute force, they focus on balance. Instead of chaos, they focus on control. BMW, Audi, Porsche, AMG. These cars are designed to be fast everywhere. Straight line, corners, it will get the job done. Steering feels tight, suspension is always dialed, and everything feels like it was engineered. Then, look at the German cars, like, look at this. Can't make this up. But German cars are made for autobahn. High speed, long distances, zero drama. You can drive them hard, then drive them daily, then drive them hard again. And the interiors are beautiful. They're driver focused and make sense. This is why I lean Germany. But, well, let's be real here. German cars are not perfect. Maintenance is very expensive, and money, that's how it is. If you ignore service, your wallet will suffer. That's all. Head-to-head comparison. Speed, straight line, America wins, guaranteed. Handling, Germany, no question about it. Then there is daily driving. German cars feel more refined, calmer, and they're just a big go, because, well, the interior is quite nice. I like it. Everyone likes it. Come on, we can agree that Mercedes and BMW have really, really good interiors. And if they're maintained right, daily driving, take them to the track, wherever you take them, they will do the job. And then, well, sound and drama, America wins that by far. Like, the Mustang sounds so nice. The Corvette sounds so nice. And, like, that's just beautiful. Reliability, this one's a tie. Stock and maintained, abused, both will break. But, well, maintenance is the key to every car. You have to understand that when you buy a car, it's like caring for a child. You have to constantly check everything. Well, the final verdict, which one is better? If you want noise, burnouts, and the raw excitement, go American. But if you want precision, balance in the car that can go faster corners and straight, then go German. Not because you're louder, but because you're smarter. Now I want to hear from you, American muscle or German engineer, and why. Drop it down in the comments, because at the end of the day, power is easy, precision is earned. See you in the next one.